Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to deploy and demonstrate detection and tracking in CCTV or webcams. With this, you can get detailed information about the people or objects passing through your webcam, count incoming, outgoing employees or customers, monitor traffic, and much more. And it works pretty well on images. Let's get started. This real-time tracking and detection ULOV7 is much faster than previous versions. Click on code and copy the link. Open Anaconda prompt. If you don't have it, pause the video, go to this page and download as per your operating system. Installation is pretty simple. Link is in the description. After downloading Conda, open the prompt and switch to drive where you like to save the repository. In my case, I am choosing drive E. Now simply type git clone and the copied address. Wait for a while. Now the download speed depends upon your system configuration and internet connection. Get back to GitHub page and download YOLO V7 by simply clicking on it in the same folder. Now move on to another GitHub repository. Link is again in the description. Copy the code and clone the repository. Git clone the repository. This algorithm is making big waves in computer vision and machine learning communities. Go to the drive and here we have both the repositories. Open YOLO V7 object tracking folder and copy requirements and requirements GPU. Get back to YOLO V7 folder and paste both the files. All we need is to copy and paste three more files: detect or track, sort and street. Sort and street. This street is MP4 file to test our setup. All set. Back to prompt and type cd YOLO v7. Now we need to create an environment. For this, type conda create -n YOLO v7 tracking Python equals to 3.9 and hit enter. Right, type Y. YOLO actually stands for you look only once. This real-time object detector provides unbelievable speed and accuracy compared to its previous versions. To activate the environment, type conda activate YOLO v7 tracking. Activate and hit enter. This whole process is on Windows. You can run it on Linux as well. Procedure remains the same. Clear screen. Now we need to install requirements. For this, pip install -r requirements.txt. We are using CPU for this whole process, and if you're interested to run it on GPU, you need to install requirements gpu.txt as well. The GitHub repository also consists of YOLO v7 tiny model. The suffix tiny of computer vision models means that they are optimized for edge AI and deep learning workloads. But we are working on YOLO V7 base model, and that's why we downloaded the same earlier. You can use your own videos and images to see how perfectly it works. Wait for a while, clear screen. Now it's time to fire up the model. For this, type Python detect or track.py weights YOLO v7 point no trace view image, and the source is street.mp4. This street.mp4 is the same file that we transferred from one folder to another. Hit enter, wait for a while, and here we are. Perfect. It is detecting all the objects efficiently like person, handbag, backpack, bench, potted plants. Now to abort operation, press Ctrl C. Right. It tracked all the classes for which YOLO v7 is trained for. But what if you like to track specific class? For this, add flag dash classes 0 to detect person only. For demonstration purpose, we are using only one class. Do try other classes as well as per the requirement. We'll leave some more commands in the description. Hit enter, process is on. Now here you can see that the model is detecting person only. You can change the color and font too. Now let's get back to our Anaconda prompt and try this on images. For this, go to YOLO v7 folder, inference, images. Right, here we have number of photos. Go to the prompt, type python detect or track.py weights YOLO v7 dot point CONF 0.25, image size is 640 as mentioned in YOLO v7, source inference images, and name of the image. Hit enter, wait for a while, the process is on. Right, the output is stored in runs detect slash exp3 slash horses dot jpg, and here is the result. You can find the output of a street video in this folder. Let's try it with one more image with dull light. Go to the prompt and change the file name only. In this case, it's vb.jpg. Hit enter. Let's get back to runs folder. Euro V7 runs, detect, open the file, and perfect. Detection is extremely good even in dull light. Now to add your home or store camera to it for more security, simply replace the stored video name with your webcam name. Get back to Anaconda prompt. Like in my case, camera name is main E for the main entrance. Now with this, you can easily track and detect people, objects smartly with your webcam. Thanks for watching.